It's a very special vlog for me today, which is why I'm wearing the special FoodZpah t-shirt, the first vlog of mine in which I'm wearing it. Hi Sohail, kya khabar? Alhamdulillah. So guys, today's is a sudden impromptu vlog again. I wasn't supposed to do this vlog, but such was the scheme of things which happened since morning. I thought let's do something different today. Let's see whether you like it or not. So we are getting in food from this new place called Tom Yum. It hasn't launched yet, so we are getting the first taste, the first look of the place. It's going to be a delivery based place from Behala, and it's going to be an oriental special place. There are a lot of good stuff which will be sent to us, and I'm definitely going to try to cover that in the vlog, because without food I don't think you all are going to be watching me for this video. So yes, it's going to be coming from Behala. It's going to be here at 3:30, so we have another half an hour, and I am headed out to diner to meet with Shoptok, and we'll have a few of our moderators as well as Aman coming over today after a long time. Excited about it. Let's see how the food is. I'm going to give you the first look as well as the first review of the place. So I am excited. And as has been the trend, whenever I am out to do a vlog, it has to rain, and it has not disappointed today as well. Would you believe it? It was bright and sunny when I woke up, and this is what the condition is right now. Another important thing which I wanted to mention to you guys today is, after today I'm not going to be sharing any of the video links to stories, etc. So whoever wishes to watch the video henceforth, please, it's a request, do subscribe and click the bell icon notification, so that whenever there is a new video coming up, you get instantly notified and you do not need another reminder from any other source. Hi guys.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Saddam. Welcome back. We missed you. Starting the vlog, I wanted to quickly come out and show you something. It is actually sunny outside once again. It was sunny when I left, and it only rained at the duration of me in the car. So this is following the sequence. Every single vlog which I am doing, it is raining while I am in the car. If you want to check, if you don't believe me, please go through the previous vlogs. So I was candidly having a conversation with Shoptok and Shinchon, saying that I should do a collaboration with farmers and maybe even the Met department, and I can, help them out with rain whenever it's required by just doing a self vlog inside a car. How about that? Let me what you've got, Meruka. Nice, congratulations.
Thank you.
As well as on the new tattoo.
Thank you.
So all of us are set for lunch. Welcome back, Aman.
Thank you.
So what were we guys talking off camera regarding compass? Anjali, you're getting a new compass tattoo done, right? Shoptok, what do you think about it?
We have it in our phone. We don't need it in our hand.
And Shoptok starts with Dana.
Yeah, you don't require compass these days. Like, I remember traveling to so many places of late. I don't recall the last time I used a compass. And the food is here. Hi guys. Come inside. So this is our food from Tom Yum. This is what I wanted to highlight. Thank you so much, guys. First of all, tomader all the best. Tomader jaigata notul shuru hocche. When are you guys opening?
Maybe 2 days.
Another couple of days.
Yeah.
All right. So we will inform our viewers whenever you are coming live, and it's going to be a home delivery outlet, right? In Behala region.
Yes. Belala, Taliganj.
Okay. And timings as well as tomader delivery radius tak order thakbe?
10 kilometers.
10 kilometers through Swiggy and Zomato.
Yes.
Oh, great.
Not Swiggy, only Zomato.
Only Zomato exclusive. And what about your own direct deliveries? Is that available too?
Yeah.
That won't be
For
available.
Zomato.
Only through. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to have the food, and we're going to give you a call, and we're going to review the food and give you the feedback as well as take your suggestions too. All right, all the best. Cheers. drums of heaven in plum sauce. This is Pao Chicken. I'm gonna take one piece. It has a lot of cashews and bell pepper as well as some chilies on top. And then finally we have the chili fish. Take one piece as well. So I'm going to taste all of these and I'm going to give you a review. These are the very cute cutleries which they give. It's pretty smart. It comes in a sleeve. So let's start with chili fish first. That's the Pao chicken, sorry. Pretty good, it's soft, it's mild, just the way it should be. It's a little cold because of the shoot, so I have to disconsider that. Everything aside, it's pretty good. So next up is the chili fish. The fish is a little hard, I'm disappointed with it. It's not as fresh as it's supposed to be. If you can see inside, it should be lush and white and it's not. So it doesn't seem very fresh. So this is one disappointment. Right, so finally I have my favorite drums of heaven. This is in honey sauce. Let's take a bite. This is nice. It's not overly sweet. A lot of the times you find that whenever you go for a honey option, they make it very sweet. This is not, this is mild. It has been well marinated till inside, as you can see, if you can see that is. It's well marinated. It's a good size, good chunk of chicken, not too much of coating. This is a thumbs up. So we are with the main course finally. We have the black bean sauce, which is chicken. We have fish and plum sauce. We have the butter garlic prawns, we have fried rice, and we have noodles. Let's pour these bad boys on my plate. This is the chicken in black bean sauce. I'm not a very big fan of gravies with my main courses, so I'm going to avoid that. Next up, we have the fish in plum sauce. Since this is sweet, I like sweet, so I'm going to put this over here. The irony is I don't like desserts, but I like other normal items like beverages, etc. sweet, so yeah. And finally, this is the prawn in butter garlic sauce. I'm gonna look for the biggest piece. Please, I apologize from beforehand. So this is a humongous piece, and this goes in my name. Gravy on top as well. So these are the sides. I'm gonna set this aside so that you get a clearer picture. Finally, some rice. You can see the prawn in the rice. And a little bit of noodles. So this is it, guys. This is my main course. I'm going to leave the rice or the prawn. I'm going to try the noodles with the fish as well as the chicken. Let's start with the chicken in black bean sauce. It's pretty soft, so that's good. It means that they've given the leg piece for the chicken and not the breast piece, so that's one plus. Let me first try the noodles plain. If you can see the noodles, it has a good mixture of vegetables as well as egg, chicken and prawn, so that's a plus. Also, the noodles has a slight sweet taste, which I personally like, so that is good again. Let's go with my first bite with the black bean sauce. This chicken is soft, like I've already mentioned, and the sauce is also pretty good. The consistency is good. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, so it's definitely a recommended item. Let's move on to the fish and plum sauce. Although I like the sauce over here, but I feel that the problem with the fish is consistent. Even with the starters, I face the same thing. It's a little hard. So I don't know whether this is going to be consistently the problem. Fish over here, in general, I found it a little hard this time around. So I'll need to give a call to Shantanu as well as find out whether it's a problem with the raw material or with the cooking. Most probably it is the raw material issue because they haven't yet opened. So it can be possible that stock is not of today. I'll have a talk with him and I'll find out. I'm sure this is not going to be a regular occurrence, and let me know if you guys order in future and if you try the fish items, if your experience is any different, do let me know in the comment section. Finally, I'll be having my favorite butter garlic prawn. Before that, let me just take a bite of the rice. The rice is fine. And now my favorite. By now, all of you should know what big a prawn freak I am. So it's not a surprise when I get excited seeing prawn on my plate. So this is one big portion of prawn. See, I'll be very biased when it comes to prawn. I love prawns. So this one is good too. You can definitely order this. My recommendation from all of the main courses would be the noodles as well as the chicken and black bean sauce. I would suggest against ordering from fish from here, but if they definitely work on that and if it improves, then you let me know how the experience is, and definitely we can try that again in future. Right guys, so what we're gonna do is we are done with our lunch. I'm gonna give a call to the owner and I'm gonna give him a feedback about what our experience was today. So this, now I'm gonna show you the number. So this is me calling. I'll put it on loudspeaker. You can just come close. সাতটুকু সবাজদা বলছি। আচ্ছা, আমাদের সব কিছু খাওয়া হয়ে গেছে। এবার যেটা ফিডব্যাকটা দেওয়ার ছিল আমি তোমাকে দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। স্টার্টার্সে আমাদের ড্রামস অফ হেভেনটা খুব ভালো লেগেছে, খুবই ইউনিক ছিল, যে ডিফারেন্ট সসে করা হয়েছিল, দ্যাট ওয়াজ ভেরি গুড। তারপরে কুং পাও চিকেন ইজ অলসো গুড। একটা কমপ্লেন যেটা আছে, যেটা স্টার্টারেও অ্যান্ড মেন কোর্সেও, সেটা হচ্ছে যে তোমার যে ফিশ যেটা আছে, ফিশটা একটু হার্ড আছে, শক্ত। সো হতে পারে যে তোমার হয়তো স্টকটা ইজ নট ফ্রেশ রাইট নাও। আই ক্যান আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড, যেহেতু এখনও জায়গাটা খোলেনি, বাট এই একটা ফিডব্যাক আছে, দিস নিডস টু বি লুকড আপন সো দ্যাট ইউ নো আদার্স ডোন্ট এক্সপিরিয়েন্স দিস। ইয়েস, বোথ, ইভেন দ্য স্টার্টার্স অ্যাজ ওয়েল অ্যাজ দ্য মেইন কোর্স। ওটা হলো। তারপরে মেইন কোর্সে আমরা যখন চলে আসছি, ফিশটা বাদ দিয়ে যেগুলো খেয়েছিলাম, প্রন ওয়াজ প্রিটি গুড। আর দ্য চিকেন অ্যান্ড ব্ল্যাক বিন সস ওয়াজ অ্যামেজিং, দ্যাট ওয়াজ ভেরি গুড। ওটা আমাদের ফেভারিট। কোনটা? না না, ওটা খুবই ভালো ছিল। আর তা বাদ দিয়ে দ্য নুডলস ওয়াজ ভেরি গুড। একটা জিনিস যেটা আমি দেখলাম যে both your noodles as well as your rice had a good quantity of veggies, prawns, chicken and egg etc. So that was very good. Halka rice ta ekটু dry লেগেছে. Maybe if possible, if you can add a little bit of stock on top of the rice, it will make it a little greasier. Right, a little bit of oil on top. Right. Apart from that, we liked the packaging. Packaging was very good. We loved the cute cutleries which you've done. The packet was very good. Thank you so much for having the logo FoodZpah over there. So that was a very cute gesture on your part. If you're ordering from Zomato, you're going to get a 30% discount if you order from Tom Yum. Thank you so much, Atuki, for sending us the food for the first review and the first look, and we wish you all the best. I got a call from home that there is a secret parcel waiting for me. I don't know where it is from and by whom, so I need to rush back home. Our experience with Tom Yum. It is a new place. It has not launched yet, so I wish them well. The food is pretty fine. They are giving a discount of 30% on Zomato, so that makes it even more affordable. The rates are pretty fine. I'm going to attach the exact prices of the items which we've tried in the description below, so that helps you. And I've already passed on my little feedback to the owner, and he was pretty open to the suggestions. So that was one good sign that they are open to whatever feedbacks they're getting from the customers. So yes, like I've mentioned, I'm going to quickly rush back home to find out what is waiting for me. I'm going to try to put that as a part of this vlog as well. So I was told by Bhaiya that there is a surprise delivery. Let's see what it is. It's from Mama Mia. Right, so this is the surprise delivery which we have. It's from Mama Mia. There is a message over here. The message reads, "You are strong and we are proud of you. We are above 100." We are above 100 from YouTube team. Oh my god. So this is a surprise delivery from our YouTube team. This is the message which they have given. And let's rip this open. It's pretty heavy. And it opens from here. So there are assorted cupcakes. Thank you so much, guys. For context, those who don't know, I wanted to avoid talking about this on the vlog, but yes, for those who, a lot of you would know it already, why today's vlog was special. Those of who don't know about it, you can check out my post, it's public on my Facebook. So you can definitely go through the post and you can understand why I was so emotional today and why this vlog meant something very close to me, and why things are going to be different from henceforth. So I wouldn't be saying much in this particular vlog. I would let you all do your research. You can definitely go through the post which is there on my Facebook. And yes, wish me luck. It's going to be a start of a new journey for all of us, backed up by the most amazing YouTube team you can ever ask for. Thank you so much, Tuhin, Samapti, Gangotri, Ambreen, Orgo, as well as Arpita. You guys are the best, and definitely henceforth whatever vlogs will come will definitely be dedicated to all six of you. So until then, this is FoodZpah and myself, Tom Dick or Harry vlogger, wrapping up. Cheers.